yung Tingog Party List na Memorandum of Agreement with DBP and PhilHealth. Kasi nakakaloka ito. Ito si Manny Ledesma. Ano to? Head siya ng PhilHealth. Ayan. Nagkaroon sila ng MOA signing. At yung MOA signing, ayan yung mga participants. O, di ba, nandun si Martin. Ayan. So, Tingog, PhilHealth, DBP, signing of Memorandum of Agreement o December 8? Yeah, December 8, 2024. Ayan. Okay? So, ang first question dito really is, anong ginagawa ng Tingog dyan? Bakit may Tingog? At bakit nakikipag-MOA ang Tingog sa GOCCs? Ang unang question dito is, Tingog Party List is a political organization. Why are you giving a political organization a personality to enter into an agreement with DBP and PhilHealth?
Alam mo, isa talaga sa pinakamalaking sanhi ng gulo dito is si Martin.
Oo. Totoo.
Alam mo yon? Kasi si Martin talaga, parang, feeling ko nga, parang na-held hostage na yung mag-asawa.
Oo. Sobrang balahura, puta.
Amshi, blink twice if you need to be rescued.
Siya na yung nagde-decide sa lahat
Ano talaga? Kasi nga, presidente na si Bongbong Ano naman ngayon? Nakabalik na siya sa Malacanang, parang natupad na ang pangarap. So, pangarap naman ni Martin yun ang kailangang matupad.
Oo. Ito yung MOA. Allegedly, ito raw yung draft. Shared undertaking of the parties. Ayan. The parties to undertake to hold all information, documents, and reports obtained in the course of agreement in strict confidence and shall be subject to the restrictions and conditions prescribed under pertinent laws. Para putang ina. Seryoso? What do you mean by strict confidence? Hindi namin pwedeng malaman yan. Bakit confidential to? Why? Si Tingog, ang role niya, shall assist and coordinate with LGUs in ensuring their participation to the program. Shall provide complementary programs and trainings to ensure fiscal viability of the operations of the hospital. Shall provide necessary support in financing health expenses of the patient through its medical assistance program. What are those necessary support? Kayo hahawak ng procurement, ng mga supply, kayo yung hahawak ng construction ng mga hospitals, expansion ng mga healthcare facilities and whatnot. Is that the support that you're talking about? Tingog?
Bakit sila umiepal?
Ha?
Bakit sila umiepal?
I do not know. Tingog Party List is a political organization. Ngayon, you're going to enter into a MOA kung 2025 hindi kayo ma-elect. Ano to?
Hanggang kailan ang MOA?
There's no date, teka.
Meron yan.
Ayun, wala nga. This agreement shall continue to be in full force and effect unless otherwise revoked. Oh. Tapos, nagbigay lang ng termination of agreement. Magbigay ka lang ng 30 days notice.
So it's flexible
Wala siyang sunset clause.
Flexible agreement.
Mm-hmm.
Hanggang nakikinabang tayo pareho, effective.
Correct. And I think Tingog Party List should be investigated. Sa totoo lang, sobrang powerful ng Tingog Party List sa House of Representatives. Kapag kunwari, merong ayudahan na nangyayari. Kunwari, si District 1 ng probinsyang Kinembot, magpapamigay ng pera ng ayuda. Tingog Party List will be there. Magpapamigay ng pera kasama ang Tingog Party List. Saan nanggagaling ang pera nyo? Ba't ang dami niyang pinapamudmod? You also have almost 200 plus satellite offices. Saan nanggaling ang pinagpatayo ninyo ng mga satellite offices? I mean, you have to tell us what's your financial model in order to do these things. Because if you can do it using private funds, dapat malaman natin kung anong financial model ninyo kasi gayahin natin yan. Putang ina. para kayo may balon ng pera. Paano nyo namamanage yan? Saan galing yung pera ninyo? Kung Yeda, kung Asidre, Martin,